volatility and liquidity. A good example is the financial crash of 2008. Price manipulation. A single company that aggressively buys or sells its shares can significantly increase or decrease the share price as the market cap is lower. There can also be manipulation from the dealers and to some extent. Shady practices. As soon as you start investing in OTC trading, you will discover companies misleading investors with their fake portfolios. It might be complex to trade based on fundamentals. Spreads and liquidity. Trading in environments where the liquidity fluctuates greatly can cause extreme slippages. You may not find anyone to sell your position to if you are in profit, or selling to sell if you want to buy. The spreads are also wide, and meaning it will take more time before you finally see your trade in the green. Now I will talk about something about Forexcopier. Forexcopier is an automated software that helps you copy your trades on the same or different pieces. It has two versions. Forexcopier Remote 2 for copying trades remotely from one MetaTrader platform to another. Forexcopier 3 copies trade between MetaTrader platforms on similar pieces. The copy trading software has many valuable features, including lot risk management, price adjustments, order filtering, tweaking SL or TP, and emergency stocks to help you get an easy edge in the industry. It is possible to diversify your trading accounts and brokers by distributing your equity over several portfolios and using the auto trade copier to copy positions from one account to all of the others. You can also choose to sell subscriptions to signals and ES to investors worldwide with or without access to their login credentials. The scope here is unlimited, as the Forexcopier can help gurus in teaching by sharing their executions. For traders on a losing streak, the mirror trading software offers a reverse mode that turns all incoming buys into sales, and vice versa with modifications of the exit and